Hey there, sweet viewers! Today I'll be sharing to all of you how I make my Swiss meringue buttercream. So to start, we have our room temperature egg whites, sugar. So let's mix them together. So we are going to heat up this egg white mixture using our double boiler until the sugar dissolves. To check if it's ready, use your fingers and feel if there's no more sugar granules. Now it is ready to whip our egg white mixture. I actually waited for about 10 to 15 minutes before whipping. This way it cools down a little bit, and just to help out as well my electric mixer not to get overused. That is just me. You can actually whip it right away after taking out from the double boiler. We are going to whip this until cool, or when you touch the bottom of your bowl, it's not hot anymore. This will take a while, but be patient if you really want to achieve this good recipe of Swiss meringue buttercream. As you can see, the texture changes, but the consistency is still runny, so we are going to keep whipping it until it becomes stiff peaks. So this is what you call stiff peaks. Make sure the meringue is no longer hot before adding the butter. We can now add our softened butter little by little. I use my hand where I'm comfortable with, or you guys can use spatula. I know a lot of you were freaking out right now because it drops down the consistency. No worries guys, that is just fine. It's part of the process. Just keep beating it, trust the recipe, beat until the consistency changes. Okay, let's make sure we scrape the side of the bowl. Very important guys. And as you can see, the consistency is still watery, so it means it's not ready yet. Let's keep beating it. And that is the consistency that we are looking for. That is just so satisfying. And keep whipping for another 2 minutes. So let's scrape the side of the bowl and add our vanilla extract or any other flavor that you want. Let's give it another hand mix and we are done. Hope you guys enjoy making this Swiss meringue buttercream with me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!